Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to join Hostgator's affiliate program. If you find this video helpful, please drop a like and subscribe. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Alright, so what you want to do is head on over to Google, and now in the Google search box type in Hostgator affiliate program. Once you've done that, hit enter. Now you're brought to Google search results. And now the top one here, it will be from web hosting affiliate program from hostgator.com. So click into there. And now this is the official website of Hostgator. So as it states, web hosting affiliate program, partner with us and earn cash. Promote Hostgator on your site and earn moolah along the way. Join the program, is fast and free. So now from here, we'll just have a quick look of the features here. So as you see, partner with Hostgator is a win-win. We get more business, you get more cash. And to make your side of things incredibly easy, we've spent a couple of decades building up a reputation that speaks for itself. On top of that, a partnership with us means enjoying a generous pay structure based on performance. You will earn at least 70% of each sale, capping at $100 per sale. I'm personally in this program myself, and that is true. It's a great program to be a part of and make extra money. So in order to partner with Hostgator, you want to click onto join now here. So once you've done that, you'll be brought to join Hostgator's partner program powered by Impact. So they have partnered with Impact Radius to provide you with market-leading performance advertising campaign. Performance advertising is simple. You receive large earnings for promoting high-quality, unique products or services to your audience. So what you need to do here is fill out your information. So your first name, last name, email, all that stuff there. Put in your company information here. Keep scrolling down, promotional information. So you can choose your business model here, your property type, and they've got here's your agreements here. So sale is 70% USD, and they got your payout groups here. So your rank condition payouts. Got more down here when you scroll down, the general terms and all that stuff. And then once you filled out all that, click on sign up, and then you'll be a part of Hostgator's affiliate program.